Hey everybody, I'm making a reproduction Brazilian rosewood bridge for an old Gibson, and it started out as a rosewood blank. Just milled out the slot using this vertical mill. It's a 1960s Clausing 1820, and it's a great milling machine. It replaces a drill press, but it does so much more than just boring holes. You can use it for slotting and drilling, making parts, making metal parts as well as wood, and it's accurate to the point of being ridiculous. So it's a wonderful, wonderful tool to have in a shop. I have the 6 holes for the bridge pins perfectly matched to the original vintage Gibson, and I figured out by measuring carefully that the distance from center to center on each hole is 0.475 inches, which is 4 3/4 turns of this handle towards me to make this travel this way, and each time I bore the hole I have to reset this to 0. And when I'm done, I'll have 6 perfect holes that exactly match the guitar's spacing in exactly the right place for this bridge to be put back on authentically and correctly. So we're going to turn the machine on. I have a piece of shatterproof safety material between me and the work, and we're going to start. Just have to get this loosened up a little and get everything set. Okay, we're set. So the first one is already indexed at 0, so I'm just going to start the drill for that first hole. Now I'm going to turn the machine off. Now I'm going to do the movement that I told you about. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I'm going to bring it up to 75 1/1000ths. And there it is, right on the money. And I'm going to check that, and it is exactly where it belongs. So we do the same thing again. Then I set this at 0 a second time, or a third time, and also it goes quicker if you remember that the handle was at a specific location. That way you can just pull it and it goes right to 0. See that? 2, 3, 4, and back up to 75 1/1000ths. Nice and slow. And we are, again, right on the money. And so we go again. Now there's no need for me to bore you by doing this 6 times, but when I'm done, everything will be exactly the way it's supposed to be, and the holes will perfectly align with the holes that are already in the top from the original missing bridge, and we'll have a great realignment. Thanks for watching.